Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are unboxing the GoPro HERO7 Black and of course the SD card that I recommend everybody using. Now you guys can find these products in my video description from a safe seller. So let's get started, and in this video you're going to see a full unboxing. I'll try and do it quickly for those who just want to see the footage and the specs and settings of the camera. So this is supposed to be a kit. It's brand new, and we'll get to that. It did come with an SD card, actually two, a 64 gigabyte and a 16, but I personally like the 128. These are my favorite out of all. Let's jump ahead. So we get two rechargeable batteries with this kit as well. And if you guys are interested, check out the link in my video description for all of this stuff. So we're going to go ahead and set those off there. I guess we'll quickly go through and show you guys the batteries here. So I always recommend, no matter what, you guys, just like I highly recommend that you guys also, besides the two batteries, you also have an extra memory card as well. Okay, so these are the nice little batteries. Always got a nice little tab here. I will also add a link for you guys if you're interested in buying a bulk battery pack. Okay, so you put the SD card in here, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And I don't know if any of these batteries are charged or not, but we're going to go ahead and place them in. It looks like you place it straight down. You're pulling it out, just slowly kind of wiggle it out. It's actually a little hard. Just make sure you're pulling away from that lid. So let's try the ones. So go ahead and select English. Oh, that popped off. So you gotta be careful not to press that button underneath there. Okay. Is it touch? Okay, it's touch screen. Agree. Capture location. No, we're going to turn that off. We're going to skip the setup. The date. We don't really care too much about the date, but we're just going to set it anyway. This is 2.7K, 60 frames per second, under wide angle. Most computers will handle this fine. So this is how it looks, with the movement and everything.